Hey guys, back with part 3. Now this is inside the car, which you can clearly see. My car is kind of dirty. That's okay. Nothing special. So today's on this console right here, and we're going to be replacing this part, which is pretty simple. It's just 2 screws. But what happened was when I bought this car, it didn't have this little thing to make it retract. So it won't close. So what happens is this little part doesn't like to stay fine because it's all gummed up, and it looks like, and everything. But this one tends to want to go like that. For this part, I just put a piece of Velcro on it because it's broken. I don't know where to get another one, and I really don't feel like tearing it apart. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and tear this part apart right here, which is this one. So all you need is a screwdriver. Mine's an electrical screwdriver because I do some electrical. So you take these 2 screws out here. Make sure you don't lose them. Guys, this is a lot harder than it looks. I'm trying to film for you guys, and then trying to also hold a screwdriver. So I'm just gonna take these 2 little screws out, which ain't that big of a deal. They're 2 little screws. So as you can see, this is the old one. No little clip, but in the middle there's that little metal part there. See on this one, put them side by side here if I can. Okay, maybe not. But as you can see, there's right here is a metal part, and this one that's not on that one. So that means you got ruined at one time, which is perfect to show you guys this. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to screw this back in, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so you can see this one's still broke, but this one opens right up. There we go. Hope you guys have a good day. If you like it, subscribe and like, but if you guys don't want to, you guys don't have to. Sometimes people have different opinions, and I'll see you in the next one.